I've got this hole on this light post in front of my house. Yeah, it's kind of coming apart, but the problem is wasps like to make a nest in here. So I'm gonna try to cover this up with 3D printing. Here's the print. The lip is very, very small, so hopefully it can still fit in there. Let's see. Okay. I underestimated how curved that is. I got it on there, but there's a bit of a gap here because of how curved it is, and quite a bit of a gap here. It looks like they can't figure out how to get in. So maybe it's working.